If you are injured in an accident, the insurance company does not want you to hire an attorney. And there's a reason why. Profit at your expense. Hi, I'm Joel Hudson with the Hudson Law Firm here in Carrollton, Texas. Many of our clients think they can handle their own injury claim. But simply put, since they're not an attorney, the insurance company is never going to take their claim seriously because there's no threat of litigation. And when I say litigation, I don't necessarily mean lawsuit. I know a lot of our clients are scared of litigation, but today I'd like to speak with you more about what it actually means to hire an attorney. Hiring an attorney does not equate to filing a lawsuit. As a matter of fact, most of our injury claims never actually reach lawsuit. An insurance claim is actually a battle with an insurance company. We simply make a claim on the other driver's insurance policy that they're required to keep by law, and we get you the maximum dollar for your claim. An injury claim does not mean that you're going to be suing someone for their last dollar. Most of our injury claims never actually reach a lawsuit. A claim is made on an insurance policy. We work up the case, you get the treatment you need, and we eventually send a detailed demand letter outlining everything about your claim that the insurance company is going to have to deal with if they want to go to trial. Simple fact is they rarely do. If the insurance company will not offer you a fair settlement for your claim, then it is always the client's decision whether or not to file a lawsuit. And that's only after a detailed discussion with the attorney about all the options that the client has. And even if we go to a lawsuit, that does not necessarily mean that you'll ever have to give testimony, and it darn sure doesn't mean that you'll ever have to go to court. Large majority of cases never actually reach the courtroom. Now, there are occasions where we might be dealing with an unreasonable adjuster who just won't simply give the value that your case requires. So we do have a discussion with you about filing a lawsuit. But that doesn't mean that we're not going to be able to settle your claim in mediation later or at some other stage of litigation. As a matter of fact, we've settled many cases right after filing a lawsuit for 2 or 3 times the amount that was offered prior to filing the lawsuit, just because they do feel that threat of litigation. If you've been injured in an accident that's not your fault, give us a call at the number below to schedule a free claim evaluation. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for allowing us to put personal back into personal injury law.